My friends, you know I'm ruined, but my Bitcoin is doing fine. At least, I've got everything right, but my Bitcoin is saving me. So yeah, Bitcoin is up. Yeah, I have this Bitcoin. This Bitcoin is at, I don't know the price. Oh, 71. I told you yesterday. I told you it's gonna be a sharp move, a sharp and rapid move. This, yeah, plus 6%. This, it's always the same, my friends. I told you for the past day, it's gonna be sharp, rapid, and when a S&P starts falling, Bitcoin gonna stay flat, and after they explode. It's sooner than I expected, but I'm in the trade. I've done the trade. You remember when Bitcoin was up 7% one day? I say yes. It's smart money is back. Smart money is back. So yeah, I was right. I was right on everything. I was right on the end of the gold trade. I was right on oil. But I'm down. You know, I'm down big. I'm down big. Look, I lost 100,000 in 24 hours. I'm just up 1.3%. What the fuck? Look, I was up, my friends. I was up 17% 2 days ago. It's crazy. It's crazy. But I was right, but I stayed to my strategy, you know? Actually, I changed the strategy because, you know, my VIX edges, I thought it was simple for you because this portfolio is my public portfolio. Of course, I have my private portfolio where I have much more complicated strategy. But here I wanted to create a portfolio from zero to show you it's possible to outperform without, yeah, my private portfolio. I've it's much more algorithmic, but I want to show you like this. A man can outperform the market like 10 times per year. I'm here to show you that. So yeah, I'm here to show you that, and that's why I created this portfolio from zero. Because everybody says like, yeah, it's impossible to beat the market, but yeah, I'm down. Yeah, it was. I'm still outperforming the market by 4% or something in 2 months. So can you imagine, without all the crashes, with my new strategy? So what I do is I had the VIX edge, and I told you I have tail ETF. The tail ETF is this ETF. Look, I'm showing you now. This ETF is 90% bond and 10% out the money call options. So what it means is when the market is down, this ETF is up. Like, you know, like I go 5 years. So this ETF is down, like it's down because it's a protection. But when it, like in 2020, like when the tariff it went up 30%. So it's basically an edge. And I have a lot of, you know, I have 200,000. It's basically an edge, but my portfolio has nothing to. And this, the VIX call option, it's indexed on S&P 500. So, and my portfolio looks nothing like S&P 500. So I made a big mistake, and I just realized it. It's I'm not protected at all. I'm not protected at all by this ETF because my portfolio is not the S&P. So I have to put, and I will. It's more complicated, but it's not that complicated. I will put more like sectorial protections, like put on like gold miners, put on when they go up like this. I will do that. I will fix the strategy, my friends, because it's scary. Like, I don't want you to. I think we can have less volatility and better returns, but it takes more work. If I do more work, I will have more return. But I wanted to show you a simple strategy that you can copy, but you can also copy with the puts. It's fine. Or you can, if you don't want to do puts, you can deleverage, but it's more complicated. Okay, my friend, so we're gonna do a review of oh fuck, my battalion is not down 30% today, but I'm still up 300%. It's okay. It's okay. It's an old corp that is saved by Iran war. It was going to go bankrupt, but it's saved by, because if the prices of oil would stay this low, it would go bankrupt. But it was saved by the Iran war. So I was in this trade. It's the biggest trade. Like, the company saved by an event, it's the biggest trade. But if you sell after 20% profit, you miss the 300%. That's why I don't sell winners. I never sell winners, I sell losers, my friends. So what's next? I took a big hit in Japan. Like, I was up 600% on this one. I took a big hit in Korea. I look at my Korean ETF. It's down like crazy. Oh my god, my friend, I'm losing so much money. Look at my Korean ETF. It's down again 9%, but I'm still up 48%. That's when you are with winners. Look at this. You say, yeah, I was down 30% yesterday and 10% more, but I'm still up 48%. That's the magic. Korean defense is taking a hit. Minus 10%. Oh my god, my friends. Everybody is like, I was right on everything, and the trade was completely the opposite. Like, only oil and gas went up. Gold took a hit. Like, yeah. Yeah. Gold took a hit also. Gold is up 2%. My gold miners will be back a bit. Look, pre-trading plus 3%. So I will not lose that much, but my friends, I made some trading errors yesterday. Like, I put too much short. Like, I don't know what happened yesterday. Like, it was crazy. Look at the S&P up. It's flat. Okay. S&P is flat. Yeah. So my friends, it's basically it. Follow my trade alerts. I will adapt the strategy, and don't forget that the stock that I'm buying now are the one that will be in enormous bull market in 2 months. So don't say to me in 2 months, oh Victor, what should I buy? Because the trade will be over. Like now I tell you the trade is oil. And I have a lot of AI stocks. I have a lot of stocks you don't even, biotech stocks, health stocks. Like you don't even know these companies, because this world is so complicated. So look at the companies I have. It's so complicated. Some I have in my portfolio, but look, this company is crazy also. BNA, Brand Management Network. It's one of the biggest winner ever. Like, look, it's the same. It's companies going to bankruptcy. Look at this move. It's one of the best stock in the entire world. I made so much money in my private portfolio with this. So my friends, stay with me, and yeah, the stocks. The stocks I buy today, will be the winners in 2 months. So don't miss. Subscribe to my traderlets, and we are cool. We are just 4. So join, and I will up the price when we will be 10, and we will be 10 in couple days, I think. Thank you so much. See you.